That's the one thing that I was like this side.
Yeah, because we won't be looking into the side.
There are birds making noise over here. There were some birds. across the road. Way down there. There's someone way down there straight ahead. Someone way far away straight ahead. Huh? Hit. We started a while ago, guys. Yeah. We'll give you the 3, 2, 1 countdown and then we're firing. We're giving you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. 3, 2, 1. Watch your backs, guys. Okay, I see one of them. He's behind one of those pine trees back there. The one in the middle of the pine tree.
I can't reach.
Anthony's in the pine tree on the right. Daniel's off to the left. Actually, that's Matthew on the pine tree to the right. That pine tree on the right.
One of them might flank on the other side. Let's just keep on moving.
keep him down.
Ooh, just barely missed it.
He's hit! I got him! Anthony's down. Thank you. Anthony's sitting, so there might be someone there.
Yeah.
I need to get better mid-caps.
Go ahead. I'm worried about the right and the rear.
I know. Anthony. Tall guy with the Tommy.
The other guy was
He's talking to someone. Daniel's back there too. Hey.
Yeah.
We got Scott and Malcolm up there. Or no, Scott and Andrew.
Malcolm.
Okay, he's walking back. Watch out. Move up on him, Malcolm. Come on, let's get him. There's Skyline. I don't think they saw us. Okay, watch out for the road on your left. Nice. Andrew's hit. I'm gonna have to tape up these mags. Matthew's going around to the left. Watch out, James. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch out, Andrew's back in. Matthew was circling around there last time I saw him. Oh, crap. Lost my mags. Where's Andrew? Where's Andrew? Where's Jergy at? Again? Oh yeah? 2 kills? Alright, I got a kill too. There's Daniel. I think that's Daniel.
No, that was Anthony.
Was it?
Walking just there?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh.
He had his gun up.
Ah.
About 2. Right in and then fire and Scott was swinging around. Just barely in. Facing that way? Yeah. Come back facing that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was around the orange container when I last saw him. In the road right outside the orange container.
Watch over there though, because I know Daniel's coming from over there.
I got you. car and a dog. Guys, Daniel's in the brush right over there.
Yeah.
At least that's what the guy in the car told me. he slowed down, stopped, and just ran.
Hard to see that. Because Anthony's was right there, but we were all right here when we were trying to reach one in.
Yeah, you're supposed to try to use judgment, try to find a dead point.
There's activity at all of them.
How many kills do we have total? I got one.
That's two.
Alright,
I think we're in the lead.
I think so. Okay, someone... Daniel's out. Daniel's out up there. I don't know. Time? Is it time, guys? It makes sense. I mean, it's been long enough where I think it's reasonable.
What's the time though? You heard the time?